The Sydney Opera House is one of the world's most recognisable buildings. Situated on Bennelong Point, it presides over Sydney Harbour. The building's unique design and stunning location make it a global icon. It is a masterpiece of 20th century architecture. The Opera House is immediately identifiable by its soaring white sails. These shells are covered in over 1 million glazed white tiles. The tiles shimmer and change colour with the light, creating a dynamic and ever-changing visual experience. The Opera House is a symbol of Australia, representing the country's creativity and innovation. It is a major tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. More importantly, it is a source of national pride. The Opera House is also a working venue hosting thousands of performances annually. These include opera, ballet, theatre and classical music. The Opera House is home to Opera Australia, the Australian Ballet, and the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. The idea for the Sydney Opera House was born in the 1940s. The city lacked a world-class venue for opera and other performing arts. In 1955, the New South Wales government launched an international design competition. The competition attracted over 230 entries from around the world. A young Danish architect named Jon Utzon submitted a design that was initially considered too radical. However, the jury recognized the brilliance of his vision. Utzon's design was inspired by nature. He drew inspiration from the sails of boats on the harbour and the segments of an orange. His concept was to create a building that was both functional and beautiful. It would become a symbol of Sydney and Australia. The construction of the Opera House was a massive undertaking. It took 14 years to complete, from 1959 to 1973. The project was plagued by delays, cost overruns and political controversy. However, Utzon's vision never wavered. Utzon's design for the Sydney Opera House was groundbreaking. It challenged conventional architectural norms. His use of precast concrete shells was unprecedented for a building of this scale. The shells, which appear to float effortlessly above the harbour, are a testament to his engineering ingenuity. The design process was not without its challenges. Utzon collaborated with Over Arup and Partners, a renowned engineering firm. Together, they developed innovative solutions to realize the complex geometry of the shells. The shells are covered in over 1 million glazed white tiles, specially manufactured in Sweden. The tiles were designed to reflect light and create a shimmering effect. Utzon's attention to detail extended to every aspect of the building's design. Beyond the iconic shells, the Opera House is a masterpiece of functional design. The interior spaces are designed to enhance the acoustic experience. The building incorporates a series of lobbies, foyers and walkways that offer breathtaking views of the harbour. Section 4. Triumph over Adversity, the Construction Saga. The construction of the Sydney Opera House was a monumental undertaking. It was fraught with challenges that tested the limits of engineering and architectural ingenuity. Utzon's unconventional design posed numerous technical hurdles. One of the biggest challenges was constructing the shells. The original design called for parabolic sections, which proved impossible to build using traditional methods. Utzon and the engineers had to devise a new approach. They decided to use precast concrete ribs. These ribs were assembled on site and then lifted into place. The ribs were then covered with concrete panels and clad in the distinctive white tiles. This innovative solution allowed for the creation of the complex curves of the shells. The construction process was further complicated by political interference. A change in government led to disputes over costs and deadlines. Utzon resigned from the project in 1966. He never returned to Australia to see the completed building. Section 5. A Symphony of Spaces, Performance Venues. The Sydney Opera House is not just an architectural marvel, it is also a world-class performing arts venue. It houses multiple performance spaces, each designed with acoustics and audience experience in mind. The largest venue is the concert hall. It is home to the Sydney Symphony Orchestra and can accommodate over 2,600 people. The concert hall is renowned for its exceptional acoustics. The Joan Sutherland Theatre is the second largest venue. It is used primarily for opera and ballet performances. The Drama Theatre is a proscenium arch theatre suitable for plays and musicals. The playhouse is a more intimate space, used for smaller-scale productions. In addition to the main performance venues, the Opera House also has several smaller studios and rehearsal spaces. These spaces are used by a variety of arts organizations and community groups. Section 6. A Global Treasure World Heritage Status. In 2007, the Sydney Opera House was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. This prestigious recognition cemented its status as a site of outstanding universal value. The World Heritage Committee recognized the Opera House for its exceptional architectural and structural design. The committee also acknowledged the building's influence on architecture worldwide. The Opera House is considered a masterpiece of 20th century expressionist architecture. Its design broke new ground in the use of concrete shell structures. The World Heritage listing recognizes the Opera House's importance not only to Australia but to the world. It is a symbol of human creativity and innovation. The listing helps to ensure the long-term preservation of the building. The Sydney Opera House Trust, which manages the building, is committed to its ongoing conservation. They are undertaking a major renovation project to upgrade the building's facilities and ensure its accessibility for future generations. Section 7. The Enduring Legacy, Cultural Impact and Beyond. The Sydney Opera House has had a profound cultural impact on Australia. It has become a symbol of national identity. Its image is used on everything from stamps and coins to souvenirs and advertising campaigns. The Opera House has also played a key role in the development of the performing arts in Australia. Its stages have hosted some of the world's most renowned artists. It continues to nurture Australian talent. The Opera House is not just a building, it is a living, breathing cultural precinct. It hosts a wide range of events throughout the year. These events include concerts, operas, ballets, plays, exhibitions and festivals. The Opera House is a place where people from all walks of life can come together to experience the transformative power of the arts. It is a place of inspiration, creativity and innovation. It is a timeless icon that will continue to enchant and inspire generations to come.